Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying that your phone supports Qi wireless charging and that the app is compatible. Once done, update the app and grant required permissions for battery, location, and NFC so the software can control charging. Next, plug the pad into a stable 5W15W adapter and place your phone centered within roughly 0.5 cm of the coil. Make sure cables are secure. This first alignment and permission step lets the app read battery state and start the pairing process immediately. Once paired, open the app and run the calibration sequence so it learns your phone's coil position and optimum power. You should then choose a charging mode, standard, fast, or trickle, and set temperature and voltage limits to protect battery health. Make sure you enable notifications and LED behavior so you receive alerts when charging starts or stops. Also, schedule charging windows for overnight top-ups. These steps refine power delivery and prevent overheating while giving you reliable, automated charging behavior. To complete setup, confirm charging starts and observe current for the first 5-10 minutes to ensure proper power delivery. Make small adjustments, remove thick or metal cases and reposition the phone if charging is slow, and always use the original or rated adapter. Once satisfied, enable automatic schedules and battery optimization features in the app. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot your phone, retry pairing, and if needed, test a different pad or adapter to isolate whether the issue is phone, pad, or power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.